today. I was just putting the finishing touches on my solar system crown, which doesn't work quite so good with my ponytail, but we'll work it out. I may need an extension in there. But I put mine together, so I'll be ready for tomorrow when we have our Zoom meeting. And that has the sun, and this is our solar system. So it starts with Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, the red planet, the red planet. There's Jupiter. Jupiter has a red dot. It's a storm that's been going on for so long. There's Saturn. It has rings around it. There's Uranus. And there's Neptune. So those are our planets. I'll tell you what, since we have our planets right here, let's sing our new song. Are you ready? We're naming the planets, we're zooming by stars to Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. We have 4 more planets to add to our tune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Well done. Can we sing that one more time? We can? Oh, I'm so glad. Alrighty. We're naming the planets, we're zooming by stars to Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. We have 4 more planets to add to our tune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Oh, beautiful. That is fabulous. Oh, I'm so glad we could do that. And since we are already working on outer space, how about we climb aboard the spaceship? Because we're going to the moon. Hurry and get ready. We're going to blast off soon. Put on your helmet and buckle up real tight, because here comes the countdown. So count with all your might. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Oh my goodness. Well, what happened? Is it going to orbit the world today? Is that where our rocket is going? Our rocket is, let's see if I can hold it right. It is blasting off from Earth. It is traveling out past Earth. Where will it go? I think our rocket today is going to head to the red, the red planet, which is Mars. There goes our rocket. Woo! There it goes. Oh, it's going to orbit Mars. Oh, that is so cool. Now it is going to come back to Earth. Oh, how fabulous. You know what? It really makes me want to sing our songs. All right. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. I can spell red. I can spell red. Fire trucks are red. Stop signs are red too. R-E-D. R-E-D. Oh, wonderful. Can we do it twice? We can? Oh, that's fantastic. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. I can spell red. I can spell red. Fire trucks are red. Stop signs are red too. R-E-D. D, R-E-D. All right. The next one that we're gonna do is a new one. It is the last color of the rainbow that we're missing. We have red. We don't have orange. That's the one that we needed. So there's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. That's the colors of the rainbow. So we are going to learn orange. All right, well, let's go through here. O-R-A-N-G-E. And do you remember we talked about this on our Zoom last week? And the song went that jack-o'-lanterns are always orange. But I don't know about you. I've seen white pumpkins before. I have seen green ones, yellow ones. I've seen lots of different color pumpkins. What about carrots? Rainbow carrots, right? White and yellow and red. So I kind of tweaked the song just a little bit. I made those things are sometimes orange. Maybe you'll come up with some good ideas how we can tweak the song a little bit more, huh? Okay, are you ready to sing it? N-G-E. Oops, sorry. I am just learning this song right now too, so I need a little help with the tune. Okay. O-R-A-N-G-E, O-R-A, N-G-E, O-R-A, N-G-E, orange is what that spells. Pumpkins are sometimes orange, carrots are sometimes orange, oranges are always orange, O-R-A-N-G-E. Good job! Let's sing it again. O-R-A-N-G-E, 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 orange is what that spells. Pumpkins are sometimes orange, carrots are sometimes orange. Oranges are always orange, O-R-A-N-G-E. All right. Oh, that was tremendous. So O-R-A-N-G-E. Oh, fantastic, friends. Well done. I don't feel like we've done this one in a little while. What color is this? Let's see. Let's start singing it and we will figure it out as we go. Yes? Okay, let's do it. B-L-U-E spells blue. Wow, we figured it out. That was so cool. B-L-U-E spells blue. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? The big sky is blue, the ocean is too. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? Sing it twice. B-L-U-E spells blue, B-L-U-E spells blue. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? The big sky is blue, the ocean is too. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? Good job. Oh, I love this one. Let's do purple. Let's see. Okay. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple's what that spells. Purple grapes on the vine, purple punch is fine. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple's what that spells. Twice. Let's do it. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple's what that spells. Purple grapes on the vine, purple punch which is fine. Purple, purple's what that spells. How cool. So, I found a book called Life on Mars. I was looking for a different book because V is for volcano, and Mars happens to have the biggest volcano in the solar system called Olympus Mons. And I know I have a book around here somewhere that talks about Olympus Mons because it's pretty impressive. But I found some cool stuff talking about the rovers that have gone to Mars in the past. And their names were Spirit and Opportunity. And I believe there was another one called Phoenix too. And what's the new one that just landed last week? That was Perseverance, wasn't it? Ooh, that is a good long word. Can you say it with me? Perseverance. Good job. Let's find out a little bit about Opportunity and Spirit. So, they were only supposed to have a 90-day mission. That's only 3 months. And the engineers thought that after 3 months that the rover's solar panels would be too dusty to work. But the blowing winds kept cleaning off the solar panels. So they were only supposed to work for 3 months. And guess how long they've been working? It says the rovers have now been on Mars for more than a decade. Ooh, ask the question. Say, Miss Christie, how long is a decade? Oh, that's such a good question. A decade is 10 years. How many of you guys are this many fingers old? How many of you are 4? How many of you are 5? Okay, well this is a decade. This is 10. Oh my goodness. It's going to take some of you 5 years, if you're 5 already, to be a decade old. It's going to take some of you 6 years, if you are 4 right now. That's a long time, isn't it? Because you are getting to be such a big kid and you're so old already, huh? Wow. They have studied many rocks, and some rocks showed signs that they used to be underwater. No way. Some rocks on Mars that they've discovered look like they've been underwater. That's wild. The rovers proved that Mars wasn't always a desert. Mars used to be warmer, and long ago there was water. Rain fell, seas and rivers flowed on Mars. Was there life back then too? This is what Mars would have looked like if it had water. So there's Mars now, but look at this. That looks kind of similar to the Earth, huh? How fun! That's really neat. So, I have another book to talk with you guys about. Do you remember this one? This one was Going Around the Sun. Some planetary fun. So let's see. What is this going to teach us about? All of those planets we have been discovering. Up in outer space, in a great galaxy, lived an old mother sun. And her planet, what's the first planet? Mercury. Whirl, said the mother. I whirl, said the one. So it whirled and it twirled as it went around the sun. Up in outer space, in a sky of pink and blue, Venus shines a light so bright. Here is planet number 2. Sparkle, said the mother. I sparkle, said too. So it shined a steady light in our sky of pink and blue. What planet's that? You're right, it's Earth. Up in outer space, made of land and sea, is our home planet Earth. We are planet number Mercury, Venus, Earth. What number is Earth? 3. You're right. We're 3rd planet from the sun. Yay! Tilt, said the mother. I tilt, said 3, so it tilted on its axis and the seasons came to be. Whoa! So, Earth doesn't travel like this through space, it travels like this. And right now, since it's winter, you see how we're on the top up there? Well, right around there. Well, we are tilted away from the sun's light right now. But soon we will be traveling closer to the sun and we'll be tilted closest when it's summer. That's when we get so much daylight. Isn't that neat? And what season is it going to be this month? In just 17 days, I think. First day of spring, 17 days. And spring is the start of a new season. Wow! We'll say goodbye to winter. Thank you for the fun snow and all the fun holidays and the lights. And we'll say hello to spring. Okay, what's our 4th planet? Do you remember? Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Good job. Up in outer space filled with iron in its core is the rocky planet Mars. Here is planet number 4. Turn, said the mother. I turn, said 4. So it turned and we learned there was iron in its core. Oh my goodness, what is this one? Jupiter. Up in outer space, planet Jupiter will arrive, a gigantic ball of gas. Here is planet number 5. Spin, said the mother. I spin, said 5. So it spun around the sun and it finally did arrive. And I don't know if you noticed this. Do you see? There's a moon. There's a moon. I believe that Jupiter has something like 64 moons. Can you believe that? And some of its moons are as big as Earth. Amazing. Up in outer space where the swirling gases mix is a planet rimmed with rings. Windy Saturn is number 6. Blow, said the mother. I blow, said 6. So it blew and it whirled where the swirling gases mixed. Up in outer space, many moons in its heaven is the planet Uranus. This is planet number 7. Roll, said the mother. I roll, said 7. So it leaned and it rolled in its moon-studded heaven. So do you see Uranus has rings, but how they go up and down instead of like Saturn's doing side to side? So Uranus is tilted on its axis all the way sideways. Let's see. I think I'm missing a page here because I need Neptune. There we go. It was hiding. Up in outer space, mother's son has to wait for the faraway planet Neptune is tardy, number 8. Move, said the mother. I move, said 8. So it moved oh so slowly and the sun had to wait. Ooh, up in outer space where the planets stay in line, mother son asked a question. Is small Pluto really mine? It used to be a planet, and then they had to reclassify it. Pluto asked the mother, why can't you stay in line? I'm really very different, so I'm not planet number 9. See, and there's all of our other planets in orbit around the sun, but Pluto's got a much different orbit that it takes around the sun. So we just have 8 planets. Ooh, there is the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Up in outer space, there is more that will be told. There are also smaller bodies traveling in the solar fold. We zip, said the small ones. You zip, said the sun. So they zipped and they dipped and they had a lot of fun. There's the asteroid belt. There's all the planets. Oh, look at how beautiful. Now we know about the planets that go around mother's sun. When you name all the planets, then this far out journey's done. Well, let's name all the planets then. We're naming the planets, we're zooming by stars. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. We have 4 more planets to add to our tune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. All right, friends. Tomorrow we will meet for our Zoom meeting. So today is March 3rd. 1, 2, 3. So if we add one more day, that would be tomorrow, right? Ooh, probably be easier if I do that. There we go. So that's 3 today plus 1, which will be tomorrow. And then it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it'll be March 4th tomorrow. And we will meet for our meeting. I can't wait to see you. Mwah! Mañana iguana.